How to disallow autoplay videos on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disallow autoplay videos on Samsung internet browser. First, open the browser, and here we'll find these three lines here in the bottom corner. Click on it and then click settings and scroll down until you find useful features. Just click on it, and here we'll find allow autoplay videos, and here all you need to do is just click on it one click and go back. It will be saved, and as you see, that's how to disallow autoplay videos. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.